Good morning, dear children. Welcome to Standard 4 subject Moral Science. Today we are going to learn new chapter 16 Talents. What is talents? What we are doing the good things that is called talents. But example for singing, those who are dancing, those who are drawing, those who are learning very well. That way all the talents that good doing, that is called talents. The students were once asked by their teacher to write about what they were good at doing. All of them were quick in writing. Some wrote, I am good at learning, I can sing well. Some of them wrote, I am a good cricket player, I am a good dancer. The list continued. There was nobody who couldn't list at least one activity which they could do well. All of them are talent, they all understood. Then all of you written one good activities. Okay, all of us are born with God has given this ability to everybody given God all the talents. By born itself, God given us all the talents. This is the gift of God. What does it show? Each one of us is born with a lot of abilities. This God given ability to do something well is called a talent. God given ability to do something well is called a talent. All of us are blessed with one or the other talent. We have to identify them and develop them. What is our talent? We have to find out and develop it. Talent differ from person to person. Some of us may be good at studies, some in singing, dancing, or in sports. God has given to each person different talents according to each one's capacity. Our own capacity God has given the talents. We should not lose any opportunity that comes our way to nourish them. We have to don't lose any opportunity. We have to participate it. Then only it will develop. A talent not used it is a waste. The musical instruments like violin, guitar, etc. is unused lose their melody. Some is the case with our talents too. Now read the following story carefully. We don't waste our we have to use our talent, then only it will develop. Okay. Once there lived a rich merchant in a village. One story we can find out. Okay. Once there lived a rich merchant in a village. He had many servants. He planned a long journey. Before leaving, he called 3 of his servants. He gave them some gold coins. To the first, he gave 5 gold coins. To the second, third, and to the third he gave 1 gold coin. He gave them permission to do anything they liked with the coins. The first 2 servants were happy and they started some business with the money and earned double amount as profit. But the servant who got only 1 gold coin was angry with his master. He did not bother to use it. Instead, he dug a hole and hid it in the soil. It's the third one who got 1 gold coin. He that picture only we can see there. He dig the soil and he dug a hole and hid it in the soil. That gold coin he hide it there in the soil. Then other 5 and 2 got they already started some business and earning money. The second got 3 gold coins. The first gave 5 gold coins, the second 3, the third second 3 and the third he gave 1 gold coin. Okay, that way he given the servants. Then third person he dug a hole and hide it in the soil. In our time also we are not using our talents, it will go that it will become waste. We also sometimes we don't use our talents, and some those who have a nice drawing, then singing, that dancing, that way we are not using, that will not develop. It will like that they who got 1 gold coin, he dug a hole and hide the soil. That way we also will hide our talents and it will become waste that way. Okay, this much I hope all of you understood this much. Then remain lesson we will study next class. All of you read the lesson and study. Okay, this is homework for this week. Okay, thank you children.